morning, friends. This is Sid Punjabi here. Hope everyone's doing well. So today is Friday, 22nd May 2020, and the time right now is around 9:30 a.m. So I am going to run you through my trade and tell you what trade that I have put on right now. And the trade that I have taken currently is Tata Consumers, and it was a good pattern on the 5-minute chart. So I took the trade based on, of course, candlestick patterns and a lot of other reasons. But the setup was perfect, and I'll just run you through my trade. So I took the trade with 3,000 quantity of Tata Consumers. I entered at 362.75, and we've kept a stop loss at 359.35. Also, we've kept a target of 366.35. So we've got a risk to reward on this trade of more than 1:1, and we'll run the trade and see how it goes. And I'll update you as per time what has happened and exactly what our position is and what we'll do with the trade. So I'm just updating you guys on this trade. So currently it's 9:41, and we've broken out of the high of today. So currently it's 9:45 a.m. and what I have done is basically I have trailed my stop loss so that we reduce our risk in this trade. And what I did was that I trailed my stop loss from the previous stop to 361.90. So I've taken my stop loss higher. And now with this trade, our risk to reward has become more than 4:1. As you can see that I've brought the target down a little bit to 366 levels because we might face a little bit of resistance at this level. So I just brought the target down, and now the risk to reward in our favor would be 3.82. So guys, we're 25 minutes into the trade and we've hit our target. We hit our target at 366.25 levels, and the trade worked out in our favor, so it was good. So this is my trade log, guys. We bought Tata Consumer 3,000 quantity at 362.75, and we sold it at 366.25. As you can see that we've booked 10,500 gross profit, and after cutting expenses in our hand we've made 9,816. So that was my trade for today, guys. Within 25 minutes we've booked 9,800 plus profit, and it was a good trade today. Boom! Thank you for watching.